Did you know there are over 3 billion messaging app users in the world right now? People love this kind of communication. It's quick, easy, and it almost guarantees an instant response. What's not to like? So the question is, why aren't more businesses using AI technology? And the answer, they're starting to. We've seen a huge increase in the number of businesses embracing chatbots. These virtual robots are powered by artificial intelligence, which allows them to converse with your customer as much as a human would. They can answer questions, get you more qualified leads, even close sales. Research by Gartner, the world's leading research and advisory company, predicts that by next year we'll be having more conversations with bots than with our spouses. In fact, it's likely that 85% of all customer interactions will be with AI technology. Why is that?
There's a number of good reasons why chatbots are set to revolutionize how we do business. Chatbots are switched on 24/7. They can respond instantly to your customers any time of the day or night, while handling multiple conversations at once. They offer great user experiences. Rather than trolling your site for information, visitors simply tell the bot what they want, and a good bot will have the answer in an instant. Chatbots work well on both desktop and mobile devices, overtaking email and even phone calls as the easiest way to communicate with a brand, and the stats match up. Even in these early days of AI technology, 48% of consumers would rather connect with a company via live chat than through another channel. There is so much that can be done with a chatbot. New AI technology is being developed all the time. The only limit to its use is your imagination.